Today let us discuss volume related to word problems from page number 71. Fourth question. The inner length, breadth and height of a tank are 80 cm, 60 cm and 50 cm. Each contain 15 cm height. How much water is needed to fill it? That is water tank. So the length, breadth and height of the water tank is given. So the length is 80, breadth is 60 and the height is 50. Okay, and it contains 50 centimeter height. Total height of this water tank is 50 centimeter, but now only 15 centimeter only the water level. Only the water level height is only 15 centimeter. Then we have to find it how much more water is needed to fill. ഇവിടെ എത്ര വാട്ടറും കൂടെ ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ചോദ്യം. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ അതിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് capacity of the water tank. Total this capacity of this water tank only finding. That is, what is the capacity or volume? That is length into breadth into height. 80 into 60 into 50. If you multiply 80, 60 and 50, then we will get 2,40,000. 2,40,000 centimeter cube, because this all given in centimeter. So the capacity is 2,40,000 centimeter cube. Okay. Next, now the water level only 15 centimeter. So the height of the water level is 15 centimeter. Then again the volume of the water. So next you have to find the volume of this water level. That is length into breadth into height. That is 80 into this 80 and 60. 80 into 60 into, now only the water level is 15. So 80 into 60 into 15. That is 72,000. If you multiply all this, then we will get 72,000. Okay. Next, more water needed to fill the tank. The കൊടുക്കുന്ന വാട്ടറിന്റെ എമൗണ്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അളവെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇതിനകത്ത് നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ ടോട്ടൽ ടാങ്കിന്റെ കപ്പാസിറ്റിയിൽ നിന്നും ഈ വാട്ടർ ഉള്ള പോർഷന്റെ കപ്പാസിറ്റി നമ്മൾ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 2,40,000 മൈനസ് 72,000. സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യും. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ വി വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് we will get 1,68,000 centimeter cube. The volume of the water, this area, that is 1,68,000 centimeter cube. Okay. Next, we have to find this in liter. Now this is in centimeter, so we have to find this in liter. That is 168. How to convert this centimeter to liter? That is divided by 1000. Then cancel this 30 and this 30. And how much is remaining? 168 is remaining. This question I given in your notebook last class. And then video strength കൂടിയതുകൊണ്ട് explain ചെയ്തില്ലായിരുന്നു, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇന്ന് മിസ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തത്. ഓക്കെ. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, സിക്സ്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The inner length and breadth of an aquarium are 60 cm and 30 cm. It is half filled with water. When a stone immersed in it, the water level rose into 10 cm. What is the volume of the stone? Here, the length and breadth of the aquarium is given. Suppose an aquarium, the length is 60 cm and breadth is 30 cm. Then it is half filled with water. It is half filled with water. Then when a stone is immersed in it, water level rose by 10 cm. When a stone is immersed in it, the water level increased by 10 cm. Okay. So what is the volume of the stone? So we have to find the volume of this using this measurement. Okay. So that is the volume of the stone is equal to volume of the water level. Volume of the stone means volume of the water level. Okay. So first length is equal to 60 centimeter, breadth is equal to 30 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, then volume of the stone, how can you find it? That is the formula using L into B into H is equal to 60 into 30 into 10. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 1 is 8. 18. Then 18,000 centimeter cube. Okay. So this is the volume of the stone. Next question. A rectangular iron block has length 20 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a cube. What is the length of a side of this cube? That is a rectangular block, length 20, breadth 10 and height 5 centimeter. It is melted and recast into a cube. അതായത് മെൽറ്റ് അതിനെ ഉരുക്കിയിട്ട് വേറൊരു ഫോമിലോട്ട് ആക്കുകയാണ്. അത് അയൺ അല്ല, അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഉരുക്കിയിട്ട് വേറെ ഫോമിലോട്ടൊക്കെ വരെ ഉണ്ടാകാൻ പറ്റും. ഇപ്പോൾ റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ ബ്ലോക്ക് റീകാസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് മെൽറ്റ് ചെയ്ത ശേഷം അത് ക്യൂബാക്കി മാറ്റി. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ ക്യൂബിന്റെ ഹൈറ്റ് എത്രയാണ്, ലെങ്ത് എത്രയാണെന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഹൈറ്റ് അല്ല, ലെങ്ത് ആണ് ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് റെക്ടാങ്കുലർ ബ്ലോക്കിന്റെ വോളിയം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാം. Everything is given, length, breadth and height is given. That is 20 into 10 into 5 is equal to 20 into 10 is 200, 200 and 5 is 1000. 1000 centimeter cube. This is all given in centimeters, so 1000 unit is centimeter cube, so 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, this same thing is the same rectangular block melt and recast into a cube. Rectangular block now become it is a cube, so the volume also the same, that is the recast cube also 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, then we know that what is that length of the side of this cube. We know that in a rectangle, in a cube, all sides are equal, all measures are equal. Length, breadth and height all are same. In a square all sides are same. In a cube all sides are equal, then all measurements are equal. That is length is 10, breadth is 10 and height also 10. Length is 10, breadth is also, height also 10. This is 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100, 100 into 10 is 1000. So length, breadth and height of this cube are equal. So the length of this cube, length of cube is equal to 10 centimeter. Got it? Next question. A tank 2.5 meter long and 1 meter wide is to contain 10,000 liters. How high must be the tank? Here it is given that the tank has length is 2.5 meter and wide, breadth is 1 meter and it contains 10,000 liters of water. Then we have to find the height of the tank. Okay, so here it is given that length is 2.5. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction, so we can convert it. That is 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. Okay, next breadth is 1 meter. It is given. This also meter. Breadth is 1 meter. Next it is given volume is 10,000 liters. So 10,000 liter. So we know that this in meter and this in meter. So the volume also have to make it in meter. This is in liter. So we have to convert into liter. Sorry, meter. So how to convert 10,000 divided by, if I want to liter convert into meter, so divided by 1000. Okay, so this 3 0 and this 3 0 cancel. So what is remaining? Only 10 only remaining. So this is now is in meter cube. So the volume is in meter. Okay. Next we have to find the height. So we already studied the formula how to find the height. Height is equal to volume divided by length into breadth. Height is equal to volume divided by length into breadth. Volume is how much? 10 divided by length. Length is 5 by 2 into breadth is 1. Is equal to 10 divided by 5 by 2 into 1 means 5 by 2 itself. Equal to 10 divided by, this is 10 division. So 10 divided by 5 by 2. Okay, that is 10. How to multiply a number and a fraction? That is, take the reciprocal and multiply. That is 10 into, take the reciprocal of this. That is 5 by 2 become 2 by 5. Then 2 5 are 10. Then 2 into 2 is 4. 4 meter. The height is 4 meter. Or we can calculation do this. 10 2s are 20 divided by 5. See, 10 into 2 is 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the height of this tank is 4 meter. Okay, all of you. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കൂടി ഉണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക്, അത് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഇച്ചിരി വലിയൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, നമ്മുടെ പാഠം ഇവിടെ തീർന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇച്ചിരി റിവിഷൻ ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാതെ ഇതിൻ്റെ TPF നമുക്ക് വെക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു. സീ യു നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.